hyena is a mammal belonging to the Canidae family. Hyenas are medium-sized, larger than many other wild canids. Basic length from head to tail usually ranges from 90 to 140 cm. The weight of hyenas can be from 15 to 30 kilograms, depending on gender and habitat. Hyena fur is usually soft and dense, helping them keep warm in cold environments. The coat color is usually gray or dark gray, sometimes with white areas on the belly, chest and face, except for the black nose. The hyena's head is elongated with large pointed ears. They have slightly curved noses and sharp teeth. For hunting, hyena eyes are usually yellow or golden brown, creating a cold and intelligent look. Hyena's legs are strong, helping them move flexibly in mountainous and jungle environments. The tail is long and thick, usually held straight when it moves. Hyenas often live in high-altitude areas, often appearing in high mountains, primary forests, and old forests. They adapt to diverse environments, from mountainous areas to primary forests, and sometimes occur in scattered grasslands. Hyenas prefer environments with adequate cover, so they can hunt effectively. Hyenas are widely distributed in the region, from Southeast Asia to the Himalayan region and Southwest China. They are also found in some areas of East Asia and Southwest Asia, including Nepal, India, Bhutan, Laos, Myanmar, Thailand, Vietnam, and Cambodia. Hyenas are adapted to specific types of terrain, such as primary forests, deciduous forests, and mountainous areas. Depending on the specific geographical region, hyenas can appear at altitudes from sea level to high mountain peaks. Hyenas are predators, and their diet is mainly meat. The main form of food includes small animals, such as rodents, rabbits, and other small animals. They can also hunt larger species such as wild boar, deer, and even wild buffalo. Hyenas usually hunt at night or early in the morning. In addition to meat, hyenas can also eat fruits, roots, and occasionally something like dead animals. Hyenas are usually active in the evening and morning, being a nocturnal animal. They have the ability to move flexibly in thick forest and high mountain environments, with soft fur that helps them easily climb up and down mountainous terrain. Hyenas often live alone or in pairs, even small groups. They tend to mark and protect their territory, often through scenting fluid from their genital scent glands. Hyenas often live in pairs or alone, and they tend to mark and defend their territory. This is usually done through the release of scent from the scent glands in the genitals. Hyenas are nocturnal animals, hunting and performing biological activities, mainly in the evening and morning. Hyena breeding season usually occurs in winter and spring, but can vary depending on geographical region. The hyena's gestation period lasts about 60 to 64 days. Each litter of hyenas usually gives birth to 2 cubs, but this number can vary. Both parents participate in the care of their children, and they may take on shared responsibilities for raising, educating, and protecting their young. Hyenas become independent quite early, able to start hunting and eating solid food on their own when they are only a few weeks old. Hyenas play an important role in the ecosystem, and fluctuations in their numbers and distribution can affect both surrounding animal and plant communities. Hyenas often prey on small animals, such as rodents, rabbits, and other small animals. This helps control the numbers of these species, preventing them from becoming excessive and negatively affecting the plant community. Hyenas, through hunting, can also help protect vegetation from herbivores. Especially in primary forests, hyenas are an important part of the food chain and can keep the ecosystem in balance by controlling the population of prey species and plant species. The presence of hyenas in an area can help maintain and protect biodiversity by keeping species in the community from being overpopulated or reduced. Conversely, habitat loss and hunting can negatively affect higher numbers and distribution, posing risks to their conservation status and creating unwanted disturbances in the ecosystem. Hyenas, with their mesmerizing appearance and mysterious wildlife, play an undeniable role in the ecosystems in which they live. With soft fur and flexible bodies, hyenas are not only a symbol of strength and natural beauty, but also make an important contribution to ecological balance. By controlling the population of small animals, hyenas help maintain the natural balance, prevent the overpopulation of certain species, and protect plant species from undue influence from herbivores. As part of the food chain, hyenas play an important role in controlling the number of species in the ecosystem, thereby keeping animal and plant communities diverse and stable. However, the challenges facing hyenas, especially habitat loss and organized hunting, are threatening the species' survival. A decline in hyenas could lead to unwanted changes in ecosystems, causing biodiversity loss and reducing the strength of food chains. To protect and conserve hyenas, as well as maintain ecological balance, joint efforts are needed from the international community, environmental conservation organizations, and scientific research. Protecting the natural habitat of hyenas and ensuring their survival will mean protecting and maintaining the natural balance in the ecosystems in which they live. The hyena is not only an important animal from an ecological perspective, but also a symbol of the natural beauty and strength of the primary forest ecosystem. The conservation of this species is not only the responsibility of one country or one region, but also the shared responsibility of the whole world to protect the diversity and wonderfulness of wildlife.